What's up, guys? My audio screwed up, but today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean your AirPods. As I'm showing, all you guys need is a toothbrush. Make sure it's clean or unused. That's dirty because I try to keep them clean, but I'll remove all that dirt in a second. Spit of dirt in the sides. So all you're going to want to do is take your AirPods out. And you just want to scrub in there like this. And then with like the stuff in like there, you just take it with your fingers or something, or a Q-tip. And I'll be back when they're done. And they're almost actually done. I'll just keep going. As you guys can see, it's a lot cleaner. I don't know how to get this stuff out right yet, or like those, like the corners are really hard, but yeah, works really good. And I also use the toothbrush, like these little, whatever those are called, to get the earwax out of here. So those are clean. I had these for like about a year and a half. If you guys like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe. See you in the next video.